Hi there, this is Mr. Manley, and I'm going to answer a question that one of my honors pre-calculus students had about a problem that was on this trigonometry exam. The question is how to set up this problem. The ship is bearing 72 miles from a lighthouse. A ship is 72 miles from a lighthouse on the shore. So let's go ahead and draw this. And we'll call this the shore down here, and then we will look at 72 miles bearing, and the bearing from the lighthouse. So let's put a lighthouse here. So I got my red lighthouse there, and we are going to be 72 miles north, 15 degrees east. So how that works is we're going to use north, south, east, west, right? So if I go like this, and I go north, south, east, west. North 15 degrees east. So that's going to be, if I take this as my starting point, and then I go north, up, and then 15 degrees, if I go around a circle, and I go 15 degrees to the east. That's how that works. So the bearing for this would be something like that, probably 15 degrees. Okay? So from this lighthouse here, in the problem that we're working on, I'm going to take a point from shore and then go, so I'm going straight up and down now, that's north, and then I'm going to go 15 degrees to the east, and we'll call that 72 miles. Okay? Let's label that 72 miles, and it is ship A. I'll label ship A as well. Then I also have ship B, which is 81 miles, and it's north 15 degrees east. So let's take a different color here for that. So if I'm going from the lighthouse again, there's north. If you look at the red line there, that's north, and then I want to go 15 degrees to the east. So I'm going to go around this way. So just to make sure you're on track here, like that would be like 45 degrees, right? So that would be 45 degrees to the east, and I'm going to go a little bit more, like 52, and then this is 82, so it should be longer than A, right? So it's going to be longer, and at about 52 degrees, let's just say about right there, and I'll call that ship B. All right. Before I progress here into solving the problem, that's the setup really, and then we would complete the triangle. Let's take another color here and just go. We would complete the triangle like that. So we've got a triangle, and then before I even look at what's being asked, I guess I could look. I mean, it says find the number of miles between the ships. So it's saying to find the distance from A to B. So that distance there, and we're going to do that by solving this triangle. I could also add in this other distance that I know, 81. So we're going to solve this triangle, and let me just finish. I can finish the setup for you. That we have a. So if I take this line here, I know that the angle between the blue line and line A, so this angle in here, I know that's 15 degrees, right? So if that is 15 degrees, and then I know this other one here, say this angle in here, do you know what that is? That's the angle that ship B is off of north, heading around in the eastern direction. That angle's 52 degrees. So if we look at those, if this is 15 degrees and this is 52 degrees, would seem reasonable, wouldn't it, that you would be able to figure out this orange angle here? So this orange angle would be 52 degrees minus 15 degrees. You follow that? I hope so. 52 minus 15, what is that? 37 degrees. So now I've got a triangle here, and maybe I got a lot of stuff going on, right? So let me take the triangle out of the picture. This is the triangle that we have now. We've got, it's just a side angle side, right? I have that angle, I have that side, and I have that side. It's a side angle side triangle, and I can solve for this other side up here by what? Hopefully you're thinking law of cosines. And that's it.